Hey guys, this is how I assemble this bed frame. So I'm just going to tell you how everything went. I have my machine in my hand. This is the tool that which I'm going to use. I can open those screws easily. Okay, let's open these panels. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so this is the place. This is this item, this whole item, like this whole thing, from one end to this end. I screwed it. See, this is how I connected it. I can open it for you, and this thing is separate. See, it's like that. Oops. See, it's separate. See, first you have to fix this part. Oops. First you have to fix this part. Let me open one screw for you so that you have an idea of what I'm doing. Just a second. Okay, now watch. See how easily it came out. So basically what I did is I fixed this part here with these screws. Here. Press this button. See? Now it will. There you go. Okay, put this in. So I did the same thing over here. And then over here what I did is I screwed this part. You know? See? Just to give you a better idea. I can open it just to show it to you. The other way. Please tell me. There you go. Wow. See, it came out. The screw is right there. There you go. Oops. I'm just gonna fix it again, okay? See? This whole panel came out. Through there and there. So first I attached this part over here. And then this part over here. And then I fixed this on top of it. It's basically like this. See? There you go. The same way I fixed this part too. The end part of the bed. See? First I fixed that part. Then I fixed the same second part like that. And then I screwed this area. See? Do you see this section here? Two sections, see? So I can easily unscrew and screw it. So fix this part. This long panel here with this screw. Then they have their own holes. I just have to screw them up. Same goes with the second part. That's it. See? This panel was basically broken. See? It's broken in the middle. So what I did is attached a second piece to it. A second piece, see? See? I attached a second piece so that it won't fall down. See, this is how I attach it. I screwed a lot of nails in it so that it gets secured with the second one. broken piece. This is another part. I did one screw over here too. See? And the same thing goes with the panel. See? And that's it. Fix the. Put on those panels on top of it, and the bed is ready to go. And about this part, it's very easy. They have already their own screws. So you just have to enter them, like this big one and this one. Attach it here. That's it.